me from. I want to make a short video. I want to pass a message to Jpac according to you against me. According to you against me, I want to pass a message across to him. A quick one. I will not waste much time because I'm going somewhere. So, not a live video. I will say what I want to say. Then, if you come across the video, you share it to get across to Jpac. Thank you very much for being with me. Now, number one, Jpac made a video. Where's the movie Ijeuwa got Namma taputa konkre. Namma tachafu no wa ju onwe mu okanwere aba afufo. Then makagiri goji made the video. Osi na mpụtara social media. Kwuo okporo na afi ihe nkwuru. Osogba no ya ka Ijeuwa kwuru. Osogba na Ijeuwa si na o mere nke a. Onwere ihe o kwara afa na mkwuru. The next thing osi na nwe Ebuka dị n'eze. Negoro onye na-akpe Ebuka dị n'eze. Na na-echu WhatsApp ya ka na-echu mmiri. Na na-echu WhatsApp ya ka na-echu mmiri. Get my point. I repeat. Also na na-echu WhatsApp ya ka na-echu mmiri. Now, out of one certain time, every last 5 months or last 6 months, my friend that Okadina akpọ na phone. Sim na Jpac na number mwa. Say no problem. Egina number m. Even how they feel we blogger. How they take we blogger as a work. How they take we blogger as a profession. How they blogger as something. I don't know how to put it. Maybe. Is there no why I draw what is your handwork? Is a blogger. Do you understand? So many people want big followers. Now photo one as God. And I've told one as big boy. Makani will followers. And now people they follow you. Now people where you don't know. Now they follow you. Don't be saying a family member they follow you. Not be your family member make you to have enough followers. Now people where you don't know they follow you. And now you become as likewise, some people want almost 1 million followers, but they won't have a follow, even though some people want 30,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, but they won't have a follow. Go and check them. You got 150 followers, 150,000 followers, 150,000 followers, or more to follow. All I've told me as God. Now, a quick one. Let me now go straight to the point. So, I don't Jpac on the phone. Now Jpac look for my number, no look for Jpac number. Do you understand? Because I don't worship people. I don't have money. I only have respect for you, but if I can fair you, I quit and leave and go my way. So I'm going to second money. I'm going to second money. I'm going to number Jpac, but now Jpac show my number. Now Jpac, now he look for my number and called me. Do you understand? I never look for people's number. Most of the number today, had 100 na 99 na them see my number and they see my number for Facebook and chat me. Do you understand? Now they see my number for Facebook and chat me. I won't up on a phone. I've not tried that. You know, I've not tried that. Now, Jpac, no. No, just 1 minute. Again, 1 minute. Okay. Jpac, no. It was saga from day one. It was a saga from day one. In other people's saga. You talk a lot of things, a lot of things. People know. Do you understand? Now it get to now. About you. Somebody put about you. Here they are give you. Abu ni mahi yes you. If put on social media, is it now? I know do you kept quiet. Mpotasi one them one you okay because now if you go Chinedu Wadike abụghị nwụrụ anwụ na ndị nwụrụ anwụ adịkwode ha okwu ịghọtago nsogbu Jpac mmasị na imere ya mmasị na imeghe ya na anụ say Jpac akpọrọ gị ntụ n'ike ọ na-akpọ you're welcome Jpac abịa m sị gị akpọ gị ntụ n'ike akpọ gị ntụ n'ike. I always give you an advice. I was in the echo that you talk too much. And it that go forever. You don't stand one place. At the end of the day, if you see then the WhatsApp we can now you look for my number, no look for your number. In that number from where my friend Anna or it's without you have a chair. You don't carry a Facebook page, yeah. There you could have see Mubia, come on, I give Matthias says that war. No problem. The chat is in my WhatsApp. Okay, no problem. What did I do? Jpac, Jpac can give 5 years or more than. Now, what did I do? I ignored you. You don't make it no. The other time, chat I'm said that video. Said the other again. Now, at the end of the day, he said that WhatsApp. Out of print those things. Like on WhatsApp. See both the voice note and everything. You don't bring it out and paste it in Facebook. What do you fear? Do you understand? Jpac, I brought on somebody. I got advice. When you go to a wedding, advice. Can't know what I asked him. How would you a responsible husband? You wouldn't have allowed that woman. Let me tell you, when my wedding, let me tell you something. When my wedding, Jpac, I'm a wedding 9 years ago. I'm a wedding single-handedly. 1 year, and get together and fundraising. I know for 1 day. Thank you. Single-handedly, I said, the church, 8 months gap, 8 months save wedding. I saved money. Nobody give me kobo. I saw with my life. God bless him. Do you understand? The whole staff give me is because I saved 200 naira. I'm going to pay 200 naira UPA. I pay 300 naira. I pay 400 naira UPA. I saved the money before my wedding. No, I'm single-handedly. To tip my father. Where will you support me? Then I did it on my own. My wedding. And secondly, as a responsible man, as somebody that you were a father, can you allow your wife, your new wedded wife, that thing is a privacy that belongs to you. Only for you will be seeing it, not any other person. Now, if they go see you, they will correct you. If you provide that, no emergency, an emergency, the guy is 1.2 million. On an emergency, emergency, say no mistake. The proposed to pay, say when they get 1.2 million now. Jpac, let me tell you something. If you are just like seeing me as a tat, I'm not a tat, my brother. Go and check my Facebook page. It won't keep for my child. It won't keep for my wife. I don't put my family in social media. I value that. I don't expose them to danger. This, do you understand? Then, so, Kevin, we are jogging. I would have put him in to the pota. It's in the Emma for me here to that. I put him since then, you are not saying anything. If some people may feel safe, but I have seen Jpac back on if one that path. But I didn't feel in Ijeuwa a commoner, my brother who come a commoner. You don't expect me to come to social media and start bragging. Brag, yeah, Fanta, brag, yeah. And I don't brag, my brother, I don't brag. You don't go down, look at that now. And when you hear me, but I'm weary, so in Marama, and when you hear me, you are boasting with people's brothers. You first and boast for yourself first as a man. They boast with your family, your brothers. I'm gonna have before you were friends. Before uzo to understand godi kwuoro onwe first. My siblings will come out before my friends. But you will maybe wouldn't also name on the Jpac. But I want to ask one question. What is your handwork? I'm a businessman. I registered my business as Confronting Limited. I pay my tax. I wear more fees. I don't show it social media. Do you understand? I don't show it, and I will not show it. I'm not begging you for money. And about WhatsApp and a 2 million. Go see me and WhatsApp and 2 million. Expose me.
Okay, this guy is Shatuashio.
Expose me.
This is just a lie. Nankemu Kotorato. Nankemu Kotoro. Okay, Shatuashi. And some people will believe that thing without asking for evidence.
Let me see. Social media. Social media. And once you don't get a mego, you are not WhatsApp. Bring it down. Let them see.
That is how you lie.
My own got intact. I only advise you, my brother, know how to talk. Only the book too much. I don't want to go. So, my sister, you are welcome.
Ijeuwa, the reason why I'm joining again, oh, can be joining us. Here in a churu, what's up, Jpac, Miri, because when they put in a boy. No, you remember. No, but I get your way. Gajo, no, people, when some gullible, messed up people, they will just believe whatever they hear.
Okay, let me answer you. Let me answer you. After one certain time, I want to cardinal I'm saying na Jpac na my number. Instead, my number. Now Jpac called me. Jpac, you know more abuse of organ. Let's go to MTN office and check it. I know that place check. You know more abuse of organ. Jpac, let's sign it. I'll go to prison for you. You go to prison. I'm coming. Now he's the bomb. This all the my WhatsApp. What the here? Can I want see you? Okay, no problem. And that very day, Jpac, you are traveling. You see me, okay, I ignored you. It called me again, I did not respond.
Okay.
Joining with you in WhatsApp, people will think that I am the same thing with you. That's the reason why I cannot join you in WhatsApp. Now, another one, I said that video. I sent it to you. Jpac, the first time Jpac came from, was but Nigeria. Na hilltop, side the Apple Junction, about Lodge. Jpac, I'm not money for the first time. Oh, do not have Facebook. Immediately, or Jpac, Jpac, Igbo Camry, 2003 model. Silver color, Igbo. Silver color, red color. There it's not big. It was me pay dollars moto. Same move to say head as your boy.
Are you serious?
Yes. And as a humble person, and as I'm like a foolish person. Where what money? Do you understand? I'm foolish. Can we take off, ma? Mbruya so Jpac na Jpac. I don't know. I don't be. You go down. I know that. I made live video there because of your birthday. I wish you happy birthday. That is the first day when I Jpac for and the last one I Jpac for. Now Jpac is in a cardinal. Kuzier on Facebook. Man, Jpac goes on. Use your phone. My cardinal also use your phone. Samsung Samsung phone. I go to my line 35,000 naira. When I met Okubata. Do you understand? Use the phone. So cardinal Kuzier on Facebook. Cardinal also not on Facebook. Even you Jpac. The very web page. We are on page. We are on WhatsApp. We are on this Instagram. All this is channel. Do you understand? So it's only what Cardinal Kuzier as in page. That is all. Only page. But Facebook goes on. So how can you see na is Kuzier mozo? Eba kama na kiparia. Ila Kuzier mozo. Kege Kuzier mozo. Adona ki do sich odi Kuzier ma ho. Ebunguzo finish your school Jpac. Ebunguzo no wine. Ebunguzo pubi. Ebunguzo puta no wa. So
because he don't live the kind of life he lives. You are not a two-faced person. Gibaleba, gabaleba, giwuleba, gawuleba. That is why. Because she put on social media about to get the action. Need to put on running boss all the time. Now, boy, you that is on the Yanaka, Gamma, 24/7. Yet your rug and catch. Hey, Jpac. Okay, money didn't do. Get a Jpac make boy here. Or this demon will lie. Now can call our channel, Jpac. Achema out the money gaka. Achemu problem. Achem gige kume. Ino breathe. Also like the content creators no go Jpac. You know go smell out. Him na body William. You lang go na mke ma game me ya. You want to go? Agama people ngiro nwane again. So say no wa puna. And you know it. It is easy for you to lie against people. It's easy for you to make up story. Yeah? People will not believe it. People will not believe it. That's here to go. You want to go? So, on a demaka tembo, yazori issue where. You want to go? Jpac. The fight is between you and me and your wife. Give a man and your wife. What I go? I want you go there. So I don't know why you're calling Ijeuwa. I'm going to Ijeuwa when Sobu. But Ijeuwa did not come out. I'm going to Ijeuwa when problem. I don't have no problem with Ijeuwa. And when no problem. Ijeuwa no get korom he korom. When I get simple thing again Ijeuwa, you see how you framed it up. You see how you switched everything in a minute. You want to go? Oh, I'm just about to come there. I'm not need to wake all did the same thing. I come there. My brother, I found in a boo now. Boy, Jpac. Thank God you listened to the video. You want to go? On your naked. In fact, on your maroke. Oh, would person we don't know you. You want to go? Oh, person we don't know you. Muaga kocha ije monake. Muaga kocha ije monake. Itela na ku na platform ke tukide wata go kashe. Tukide yashi na oko wagaranto wa kage na eshi mata. Akoshi no ya wana akpoge. Ya wana chowara number ke kpowa ge. Bla 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 ya na akpoge no no. Oka mani Ijeuwa de figo.
Yawa buzo yawa we chota number pomo.
Okay.
Oh, ya putaka employer office check here. Yawa buzo on the phone. I don't know from the very first day, money have full face to face. I'm not collecting number. I don't have my number. Okay. If I later look for my number, called me. So you wanna call him where? Almost money happen na WhatsApp. Ya people outside. Let everybody see it. That is all. That is all. I just give him an advice as a brother. And people didn't remember Jpac mind how you talk. Nothing nice. Jpac mind nothing nice. So I was going yours. So each and every forge you go ahead and forge. If you go ahead and forge and talk, that one is your business. You know that. Thank God. I want to dash. As me I know. Man, people that homage. Now we go how nobody have ever paid me to talk about somebody. Nobody have ever given me one to talk about anybody. And when you're gonna make nobody, even to talk about anybody.
Amamuga Jpac le Amamuga Ima Munaga no na go na APC. So before you take one step, I'm gonna go give me hate or email. This is how you go impose telling people to come and work people. Here with your pattern. Thank God I'm not the only one confirming it. Thank God. Ijeuwa confirm okola na isi abiaka ke unu join na ko no gba onya wo Matthias. This is what you do. You can never stand alone. This is exactly what you did with that useless album. You went and deceived that useless thing. Now put on Kenya record, call war a Cosayon. It means again pretend that in my enemy. You want to go? You carry the thing, share on your platform. That is why you call. This is exactly. See, I refuse for you to use me. You were not able to use me because I'm going to be more smarter than you. You can't use me. Bring him to okay. Than a local in Agaman that end up to become a content creator. If you use Homo, spend 4 years in school. It can be useful. It won't. Eh? So I'm on whole talk all day. I am not when them other people are nature get I'm making. I don't make Jpac is a useless human being until you realize it. It's also rather again. Oh, Basaragi. Now you sabi. Ijeuwa other again. I'll talk to you later, my brother. I'm not in a comment section.
All right. Then before I will leave, according to the one that not a wedding. Na yoya kambira wedding. Jpac na wedding. Jpac I've before. Near Apollo wedding. See so wadro. You got to go. Jpac I've before. Near wedding. See there's no problem. Then the time enjoy Jpac. Kebi them wedding. Which place can them wedding? Auto position na yoya. Moi na yoga kambira wedding. On the wedding. On the wedding. Then Erium rice. Kambira wedding. Una bo mego. Kambira wedding. Ibile moto. Get why make you yoga kambira wedding? I don't understand. Why make you yoga kambira wedding? So because when we go, I would like a moto. You need like a moto. On in a corner. On the day wedding, you need like a private jet. So one of these one that you because can be like a wedding. Upon more I spend my own money. Jpac my brother because Emma is Nampuru. Na yoga na WhatsApp he post we had like you abro wa ke ikoro abro iko he ba defend the omogu so I want pass am there ma kwụsị na ebe a biko